Hey guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a Geometry Dash game in Scratch. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is drag and when green flag is clicked forever. If key space or mouse down, then repeat 8 times. Change Y by, or you can say 12 times and change Y by 8. Then turn 15 degrees. Now just duplicate it. Sorry. Just duplicate it. Put it here. Now just put it here and just change this value to -8. So now if you press the space key, it moves like that character in Geometry Dash. I don't know whatever that is called, but now we're gonna code the sprites, spikes. So when green flag is clicked forever, go to 240 minus 145 and this value can be changed according to your floor. Okay, so go to this position and then glide to -240. X and Y will be your platform's place. So now we have done this, then we'll have to switch the costume to pick random. I've got 3 costumes, one with only 1 spikes, other one with 2 spikes, and third one with 3 spikes. So just go to here and just put it here and go to operators, drag and pick random block. Sorry, it should be pick random 1 2 3. Okay, now we have done with this. Now we'll make our sprite even better. So if touching spikes, then I've got 2 costumes in here. One is the player sprite, which is this one, and other one is this one, game over screen. So now go and code. Now first thing you want to do in these is switch costume to player when the game starts, and also drag and point in direction 90. Then just go here and say set size to 70%, and then if touching spikes, then set size to 100. Switch to costume over, which is basically the game over screen, and then go to 0 0 0 0 and then just stop all. Now we've done this. We'll just no, I just forgot one thing. We go to the position that we had. What was the position? I think it was here. Yeah, so this position it should go. Well, what's happening? Set it to go to here. Select is going here. Yeah, so we have our Geometry Dash game ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next Crash tutorial. Peace.